VEDAMO Virtual Classroom is a collaborative web conferencing tool with an online whiteboard, breakout rooms, and screen sharing capabilities for instructors who want to conduct highly interactive live online teaching sessions. It allows you to have sessions with your learners without the need to install any additional software. VEDAMO Virtual Classroom offers 3 groups of features and functionalities. Gamification and interactivity with tools to create and manage content on the online whiteboard. VEDAMO enhances engagement through gamification and interactive elements. Classroom management. Seamlessly manage all participants with settings for dividing into groups and monitoring distractions, ensuring a focused and productive learning environment. And lesson preparation. Prepare lessons effortlessly by distributing content on separate whiteboard sheets and saving them as templates for future use, streamlining the lesson planning process. The online whiteboard allows you to share different resources and engage your participants in collaborative activities. A great addition to all the whiteboard tools is the media player, where you can play audio and video files within the virtual classroom space. Other software and multimedia can be demonstrated to participants via the screen sharing feature. Multi-user screen sharing in VEDAMO makes it easy to switch between the host and the participant's shared screen. If you want to conduct small group activities and assign individual tasks, our breakout rooms feature comes right into place. In this way, you can interact with all participants in the main virtual classroom and after that divide and monitor them in separate spaces. The various options for the video layout, as well as the modes in the virtual classroom space, presentation and simple view, are meant to fit different teaching and learning needs and scenarios. And if you want to make things even easier, templates come in handy. Upload all the files for your sessions, then save and reuse them. This is such a big time saver for instructors who want to have their content ready and accessible. VEDAMO was purpose-built for education and has a whole range of features specific to the needs of both teachers and students. It is successfully used by freelance tutors, language teachers, kindergartens, schools, universities, teaching organizations, and corporations.